Do you know difference between data engineer, data scientist, and data analyst? How to start your data career as a student? From engineering school, from commercial school, from university. I spent 4 hours to create this drawing. You will spend 3 minutes with this video. You will not only gain time, but also create memory anchors through a live draw, transforming 20 minutes of an expert that you will remember. That will be your knowledge. As a student, what are the essential questions before to start your career in data? What is the best studies to become a data specialist? Either data engineer or data scientist or data analyst. Some paths are quicker than others. Engineers is the best, with all technical content with network and afterwork with companies, advantage of predefined salary grid. Commercial, not real technical. University, with real technical, but no network. 65% from engineering, 10% from commercial, 25% from university. Alternative is possible via job conversion, can be accelerated via boot camp and learn by yourself in your current job. How to learn? You can learn as consultant. Consulting company are a good way to learn all aspects of data specialist, switching between projects having different kind of missions. Learn by yourself with practical project. For example, using the spaceship Titanic dataset from Kaggle. API World is also important to capture, manage, transform, and present data. Data for Good. A free project is a way to create a network. To find a job, let go on Welcome to the Jungle website. The 5 major steps of a standard data flow: data capture, data transformation, modeling, reporting, business. Subscribe to get anchors for your memory. Subscribe to get abstract on other topics. Subscribe to increase your knowledge in 3 minutes. Each steps would be associated different data specialist roles. Data capture and transformation are main job of data engineer. Data scientists are responsible of the data modeling, and the data analyst extracts reports for the business. Data engineer role is technical profile, working with data source like database or warehouse, using ETL tools to extract, transform, load. Data scientists defining statistics model, machine learning model for classification. Data analyst is close to business, creating dashboard, helping the decision. What about the difficulty to find job on the market? Data scientists was sexy, but nowadays company need to invest more and more in data engineers. Data analysts are now part of the business department, becoming more and more popular. Business people can do some reconversion with opportunity in data analytics, but it is important to adopt mindset data-driven. Some references are very useful for data specialists. Books like Python for Developer and Analyst. Important to follow some experts under LinkedIn and Twitter: X. Wes McKinney, Benjamin Eisenberg, Alexandre Stevens, Natasha Nyong'wa, KD Nuggets, and Zach Wilson. A podcast, Data Gen, created by Robin Conquet. The topic is data careers, getting started. This is an interview of a senior data scientist, Kevin Rosamond. To have the full interview of 20 minutes, you can find links in the description of my video. To remember, to learn, to improve your knowledge, our brains need to visualize a drawing. The channel, patrickbross.tech, a simple way for you to draw a graph knowledge during a podcast, a video, a document drawing. Follow me. This is your machine learning as a drawing.